A function is a reusable code block that will execute only when it's called. To create one, we start inside a class by typing void, followed by the function's name, an optional parameter list, and a code block. The void keyword simply says that this method will not return a value. The naming convention for functions is the same as for variables, a descriptive name with the first word in lowercase and other words initially capitalized. This method will simply print out a message. To call it, we must first create an instance of the MyApp class. We then use the dot operator after the instance name to access its members, which include the method we just made. The parentheses that follows the method name are used to pass arguments. To do this, we must first add them to the function declaration in the form of a comma-separated list. There can be any number of arguments, and they can have any data types. Just make sure to call the function with the same data types. Functions can also be used to return values. We then replace the void keyword with the data type we want the function to return, and then add the return keyword with an argument to the function body. The return keyword will cause the function to immediately exit and return the value to the place where it was called. We can, for example, pass it as an argument to the print method, since the function now evaluates to a string. If we want to, we can also use the return keyword in the void function to exit before the end block is reached. It is possible to declare multiple functions with the same name as long as we use different arguments. This is called method overloading and can, for example, be seen in the implementation of the print method. Java is different from many other languages in that all method parameters are passed by value. In fact, they cannot be passed by reference. For primitive data types, this means that only a local copy of the variable is changed within the method, so the change will not affect the original variable. For reference data types, it means that only a copy of the memory address is passed to the method. If we then replace the entire object, the change will not propagate back to the caller, but modifying the object will change the original, since the copy points to the same memory location.